So yeah guys, we're out here having a good time. Make sure if you guys haven't done so, make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned, we're gonna be hiking up in Bryce Canyon. We're also gonna be hiking in Zion for sure. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna catch you once we start grilling back at home. Stay tuned for more. We'll see you. For the jet skis, it was fun. Quick hour. It felt like it was longer than that, huh?
Yeah.
We try to go around everything as much as we could and stay away from people. You know, I didn't want to run them over with the jet ski. Oh, the camera wasn't recording the best part, so I slowed down, and we're just trying to turn. That shit flipped on us because we're like fucking Grubhub people.
I don't know what you did. I didn't know where I was in the water.
I know. I don't know where.
And I didn't drop my phone.
I don't know.
I held onto my phone.
I don't know where. Like, I just tried to turn so we can keep on going straight, and it threw us over, huh? The whole thing flipped over.
Too bad I wasn't recording.
I know, we should have been recording.
That was fun.
Would have lost the GoPro. It was fun. I mean, I'm sure jet skis are meant to flip over because they're like they float. They don't sink in. They float. So yeah, we're gonna get back to stuff, and then we're gonna go back to the Airbnb. Going on, guys? Checking in. Hopefully the camera's not too shaky. We were gonna go straight to Zion National Park, but tomorrow we're gonna be closer to that area, so we're just gonna ride out to the Harley here. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the vlog and give you guys a little moto vlog. Thanks to everybody that's been subscribing and checking out the channel. If you're just tuning in, we're doing a quick ride at Harley dealership here in Utah. It's called Zion's Harley. So yesterday we were in Sand Hollow. They have a lake there, so we're just hanging out there. And then we rented the jet skis, as you guys can see. But yeah, stay tuned. Tomorrow we're going to Zion National Park. If you guys are familiar with that, it's a pretty visited national park. So this is the whole reason why we wanted to come to Utah, to come visit Zion and Bryce Canyon. But anyways, guys, we're on our way to Zion's Harley. We just wanted to bring out the bike and have a little nice ride. I wasn't gonna put the mic on, but then it seems kind of too boring if you're just watching it without anybody talking. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna see how this turns out. So tomorrow, if you guys don't like this little quick ride, tomorrow we're gonna be riding the bike through Zion's National Park. Hopefully that's a little bit more exciting for you guys to be watching. So far, we're having a good time out here. And if I don't sound like I'm pretty excited, it's because we wake up late and we rush out. But today's gonna be a good day. Please, everybody's having a good day. Make sure you guys stay tuned for more videos. Let us know what you guys think about our travel vlogs. That's why I wanted to bring out the bike to Utah, to have more travel vlogs with the bike. I wish I'd have looked up it. We could have split lanes. That's another good one. So in the state of Utah, we just looked it up. In the state of Utah, if you're under 21, you have to wear your helmet. So if you're older than 21, old head ass, you don't have to. But I think it's always good to wear it, because you never know, fucking accidents. So yeah, I do recommend, even if it's not recommended by the law, I think you guys should wear your helmet. Safety first, guys. So we're pretty much here at the Zion Harley. Oh shit, it was to the right. So let's see what we can vlog in there and see if they let us. It's right there, I see it. Also, make sure if you guys want to support the channel, hit us up on Instagram, team_63, all spelled out, no spaces, in case you want to support the channel with the shirt. If not, it's cool. Just help us out with the subscribe if you like the content, and if not, just make sure you guys like it and then do a little comment down there. So here we are. Imagine this shit's closed. It looks like it's closed. Stop. Just stop. So it's closed today. You stupid. Monday closed. You stupid. I had a feeling something like this was gonna happen. But fuck it, we tried. So we might go to Zion. We're already out here sweating my balls off. Stay tuned, guys. We'll see what we do next. Zion's Harley, my guy. We made it.
Closed.
But we didn't check online if it was going to be open or closed. It's alright, we'll be back tomorrow. We're going to continue the vlog, see where we end up. We just wanted to show you guys how they have a memorial here for all the veterans. Everybody out here. Thank you to everybody that served in the Army and the Navy, the Marine Corps, Air Force, Coast Guards. Thank you everybody for your service. They have it on the rock. Check it out, the Zion Harley on the actual rock right here. It's pretty cool. But yeah, that's Zion's Harley. It's closed on Monday. Should have been open. But let's we're gonna check the map, see how far is St. George, and then we're gonna get going. But yeah, if not, we're just gonna edit the first vlog and post it for you guys. So So this is gonna be what, day 2 of the vlog? Part 2 of the vlog, huh? 4th day here, but 3rd day in the vlog. Alright guys, I don't listen to him. It was just our luck, guys. It was close. We'll be back tomorrow. We're gonna go see what we can do. Hell yeah. Utah, baby. Let's go. Let's get it. Smash the like button, guys. Come on. Cheers. Still on. We good. We good. We good. Let's go. Cheers. So also I'm going to be doing a review on the helmet. It's getting a lot of views and stuff, so I'll make sure to do a review. But I feel like I'm just talking too loud. But let me know if you guys want to see a review on the helmet. And stay tuned for the walk around of the Harley. Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog.
We made it. This is our 3rd day here. Is it day 3?
I thought you were gonna speak about day. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Same vlog, different day.
We made it to the next location. This is in Orderville, Utah.
We got the bike and we got the mountains up there.
Alright, so we're gonna show you guys the little home that we're staying at. Welcome to my parents. Just kidding. It's a nice little house. It's called the tiny home.
Veronica's view.
Not this one. So here's the kitchen. Here's where I'll be doing my cooking. The little restroom. And then this is the little room. Small bed. The only thing is that, what were you saying? There's no curtains.
There's no curtains up there, so.
But look at the view from up there. When we wake up, we're gonna be seeing
once the sun comes out,
cliffside.
that means wake your ass up.
That means rise and shine.
We get some views from the windows. That's when I did it. Anyways, I'm sure you guys don't want to be sleeping in. You want to get up and do either hike at Zion. And then how far is it, Bryce, from here?
I think Bryce is 45 minutes from here. Either 45 to an hour.
So yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you guys stick around for the rest of the vlog. The vlog's not over. I know we have so much energy. I know you guys can tell. But we're just like trying to settle in and get things. We're trying to get our day going. We've been up since like 8. Trying to leave the other Airbnb. Trying to like pack everything and load the truck and the bike and everything. We have our own little place to ourselves here. We're gonna make the tomahawk steak that we were trying to do yesterday, but it got super windy. We're gonna make that today. We're gonna eat and probably hop on the bike and go to Zion, see if we can get in there. And yeah, just stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let us know how you guys liking this Utah trip. So we went to the Harley dealership on the bike and it was closed. We're just trying to see what we can buy or whatever. And yeah, it was closed and we rode the bike there. But anyways, we went today when we checked out of the Airbnb, and yeah, it was pretty small. They really don't have a lot of bikes for sale, huh?
No, they don't.
They had a few. I wish I could show you. They had like a street bob and like street glides and road kings, but like one of each. They really didn't have a lot of inventory, but they had a lot of merch and stuff. If you guys are ever in the area, stop by Zion's Harley, see for yourself. So yeah, we're gonna get things cooking, and hopefully it turns out to be a better 4-day stay here at Orderville, Utah. Stay tuned.
See you down the road.
See you down. Welcome to another episode of Veronica's Wild Kitchen.
So, like I said earlier, like we said, we're gonna be showing you guys what we're having tonight. So I have some Brussels sprouts, just a little bit of salt and pepper.
Let us know in the comment section below if she should make her own cooking channel.
And right here we just have some asparagus. I put a little bit of butter, salt and pepper. And then over here we have the good stuff.
Make sure you guys subscribe and comment down below if you guys want to see a cooking channel with Veronica's.
Is it clean?
Veronica's Wild Kitchen. Look at that. The wolves are gonna come and try to take it. This big old piece.
So for this one,
Holy.
all I did was same thing, salt, pepper, and then I'm gonna add some garlic on top. Once we flip it, I'll add more, just for taste. If you guys could smell this right now.
Holy. Huh? Holy.
Holy.
So make sure you guys get this channel to 1,000 subscribers, and then we'll get another channel going. It's gonna be called Veronica's, I was gonna say Hell's Kitchen. Veronica's Wild Kitchen.
Veronica
That
Ramsey.
sounds catchy.
Huh.
4 o'clock. We've been up since 8. And they're gonna close the Zion National Park at 7. So by the time we're done eating, I think we're just gonna hang out here and see what we can do. Probably do a bonfire over there. Watch the stars or something, huh?
Your pointer.
Alright guys, stay tuned for the final, the plate, once the plate's ready.
I'll put the plate together so they can see the final results.
Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for the wild Utah adventure.
In the wild west, not
Stay
in the
tuned
west.
for tonight. We're gonna pre-game it. Veto's birthday tonight at 12 a.m. Happy birthday, Veronica's Kitchen.
Wild kitchen.
Wild Kitchen.
Alright guys, looks like our tomahawk is done. Let's cut it and see how it came out. Oh, it needs a little bit more.
We'll just make slits. We're checking it right now, guys.
So we're gonna leave it in for a little bit more because it's kind of red in the center.
Yeah.
I know some people like it like rare. I don't mind medium rare, but I don't like it super rare. So we're gonna put it back on for a little bit.
So maybe do slits, like cut the pieces off.
Oh, and put them in.
Yeah.
You can, like you were saying, you can cut strips.
Yeah.
So the inside could cook.
I think that's the best way.
Not fully, but
Okay, we're gonna put those back on the grill so it can fully cook. This steak's from what company? State Farm? State Farm. Yes, stop
leave
it.
that in.
Cut that. Alright, so we cut up that tomahawk steak. Insured by State Farm. So yeah, it's pretty much done. So we're gonna enjoy this bomb ass dinner. Veto's Kitchen. Veto's Wild Kitchen. Out here in the wild. Stay tuned, we're gonna ride the bike, do some canyons, and tomorrow we're gonna go into Zion. Stay tuned, guys.
Finished product.
You guys gotta come and rate the restaurant. 1 to 10. Veronica's Wild Kitchen.
So let me know how it is, taste tester.
Out here in the wild. So we're gonna eat this plate. Like I said, we might hit up to Zion or just down the road here, guys. After this bomb ass plate. Stay tuned, guys.